This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the easy causes so the real fix is visible. Close the Facebook app or browser tab and restart your device. This clears memory stalls and temporary file locks. Next, power cycle your router and wait 30 to 60 seconds. This refreshes the network path and DNS. Finally, test upload speed so you know whether bandwidth is the issue. If under 3 Mbps, uploads will lag and cause delayed playback, so address your connection first. Once your connection is stable, fix the file and upload method so Facebook can process it quickly. Re-encode the file to H.264 MP4 with a reasonable bitrate for 720p or 1080p, because oversized bitrates force long server-side reprocessing. Then upload using a wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and stop VPNs or cloud backups that compete for bandwidth. Use Creator Studio or the desktop web uploader so you can monitor processing and see error messages if Facebook flags the file. After upload, give Facebook time to finish server-side processing before assuming delay. Wait 10 to 20 minutes and then view the published version. The platform may serve a lower quality copy while it finalizes the master file. If you still see delay or stuttering, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupt local assets. If problems persist, collect timestamps, screenshots, and upload details. Then report them to Facebook support so they can trace processing errors on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.